Hey, it's Tyler here out of Colorado. Just wanted to show you groomers how to sharpen these nail clippers. They're pretty easy. You can do them with tools you have in your shop already. So first things first is you want a Dremel. This is my Dremel. It's connected to a power source, but the ones that you do toenails with, perfect. I just couldn't find mine this morning. So you need the Dremel with the stone tip and safety goggles. So, alright, all we're going to do is take our Dremel with the stone bit, sandpaper will work too, just something that you can get inside this area here. Just right along, flip it over, and we'll do the same thing. Very easy. And all we're doing is trying to match that angle as close as we can. Let's turn the Dremel on. Make sure you got your safety goggles. And we're going to go for it. And you want to go until you see the burr on the opposite side. Alright, you can feel it. On this part, you can feel the burr. So that's the inside. Yep, so now we're going to flip it over and do the same thing. Alright, so now I'm going to turn the Dremel off. And one extra little step I like to do is, now I'm going to change out my Dremel head. So now I got on this little buffing tip. This will just make it a little shinier, a little better. And then I have blue compound. I'm just going to get all over it. There we go. Oh. You can see it's all blue. Now I'm just going to take this and run along the insides as well. Kind of go up and push the burr all the way up. Flip it over. Same thing. So now it should be really nice. Set the Dremel down, make sure it's stopped. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Let's test it out. This is just a rolled up blue towel. Just rolled it on up. And hopefully it cuts. And this should also cut the burr off. Yeah, looks like it cut pretty nice. If I get the whole thing in, it flings off. See, pretty clean cut. Save some money. You guys could do this yourselves at your shop. Very simple. All right, hope this helps some of you. I'll see you later.